Disneyland Fastpass changes begin today. Mr. Cheesy Pop. Hey friend, it's Max. I wanted to make a very quick video today because a lot of you are talking about this and asking me questions, and there's confusion about what's going on with the Fastpass at Disneyland. So today, the new Fastpass changes have taken effect. This is all leading up to when Max Pass comes out. Max Pass. But today's changes, here's what's different now. You're gonna go get your Fastpass like normal. You get your printed out little Fastpass reminder telling you when to go back. But now, when you go back to the ride, you will scan your park ticket or pass holder card at this little machine that they're gonna have outside of all of the attractions now. And there's a picture you could see, then it'll like spin and light up and you'll go on in. So your Fastpass is connected to your ticket now because when Max Pass comes out, you'll be able to get Fastpasses from your Disneyland app on your phone if you pay the $10 for that day. So it's all going to be connected. Another thing that was reported was that Fastpass return times have been almost immediate. So you'd get your Fastpass and then it would give you a time window that was like really close to the time when you got your Fastpass. I don't know if that's just the case today, or if there's glitches or whatever, but it seems that way for almost all of the rides that was happening that people were reporting, besides the big ones like Radiator Springs, Space Mountain, Mission Breakout, etc. So we'll see what happens as it goes on. So that's what's going on. I know it's probably led to some confusion at the parks today. Obviously, I'm not there, obviously. Wouldn't that be cool if, like, this was a room, though, like, at the parks? That'd be very convenient, Disney. Could you maybe think about that? I mean, you named a Fastpass after me. That's the least you could do, right? Alright, guys, let me know if any of you have been at the parks today and if you've tried to use the new Fastpass system. Are there any glitches? Are there long lines? I want to hear from you guys that were there. But that is the most simple explanation that I can give you. We'll see what happens in the coming days and weeks as they roll out Max Pass, but let me know if you have tried the new Fastpass. Like, subscribe, check out my Patreon page, and have a magical day, everybody! Bye.